Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shiva Education. This is my smart multicolor bulb. This bulb we operate anywhere in the world. Okay, we start what is the feature of this bulb and how it's work. The first feature of this bulb is a control with our mobile app. We see this how I control their color in any color. If you want to change any color, the color of the bulb change automatically with the help of this mobile app. And we tap the white icon, the color of bulb is white. And the second feature of this bulb is this bulb is a IoT based bulb. We control the bulb anywhere in the world, not only in our home, not only in some ranges. We anywhere in the world we control this bulb with the help of this app. You see, auto, which tap this type of color, the color of this bulb automatically changes. You see, you tap anywhere in this zebra, the color of the bulb automatically change with this help of this app. And the third feature of this bulb is we control their brightness, maximize and minimize if as you like. You see, this is the brightness slider and we maximize the brightness. You see, the brightness of the bulb is down. You see, then we maximize the bulb brightness high. You see, the bulb brightness high. This is my smart bulb. If you want to this type of project, please like my channel. If you like this type of smart project, IoT based project, please subscribe my channel. In the second video, we suggest how you made this type of smart bulb IoT based project in your home. If you want to make this type of project, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you everyone.